Welcome to MatchTrader, the modern all-in-one trading platform designed for forex and CFD trading. Its intuitive layout offers easy navigation and clear charting tools. In this video, let's take a look at placing orders. Existing trades or open positions are in view here, and you may see all the details of the trade, including the symbol, the open time when the position was entered, the volume or position size, the side, the direction of the trade, buy or sell, the open price, the current price, the stop loss, the take profit, commission, and the profit or loss on the trade. To open a market order, select the symbol you wish to trade through the watch lists or by searching. If you require more space for your analysis, click the Expand button. Use indicators and graphic tools to analyze your chosen pair. We will have more videos on graphics, indicators, and technical analysis. Click on Advanced Order to set up your position and select Market. A market order is one where you place a trade and enter the market instantly at the current price. Choose a price level to place a stop loss. A stop loss protects your account in case price action does not go in the direction you wish. In the Side section, select either buy or sell. In this case, a sell trade, sometimes called going short. Once you have set your stop loss, you should then adjust your volume or position size to correspond to the maximum risk percentage you might lose. Now, set your take profit level. This is the price where the position will automatically close, providing you with a profit on your account. We will have further videos on a risk-reward ratio, but let's start with a take profit that is much farther away from the current price than where we find the stop loss. Click the Sell button and the trade will be placed instantly. If you are familiar with any pair on a certain time frame and you know the position size already, you may enter a market order instantly. You can still adjust the stop loss and take profit on the chart. Another great feature of placing market orders on MatchTrader is Risk Mode, where you may set your risk in account currency or the percentage of your account per trade. You may adjust your stop loss in the order ticket or on the chart and readjust the position size and stop loss to achieve the balance you desire. You may even set your take profit level later directly on the chart. You may close any position by clicking the X. And you may find these trades under Closed Positions. That's all for now. We hope you will enjoy this MatchTrader video series and your new exciting trading journey.